welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata.
Today we are going to make Dum Brinjal Masala.
This brinjal masala made using freshly grinded masala, coconut milk and tamarind. It has a so spicy and little sweetness which is such a delight to eat. Let's see how to make it.
Before that, subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
Let's start making the recipe. For that, first let's roast the masala ingredients and grind it. Once the pan is heat, add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds and roast it. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 cinnamon, 10 dry red chilli and roast it. Roast it lightly without getting burnt.
Roast until you get a slight smell of the ingredients.
Then add half teaspoon of mustard, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek and continue to roast. It's roasted now. Shift it to a plate to cool. While the masala ingredients cool off, let's fry the brinjals. Add oil to the pan as required to the extent it can fry the brinjals. Oil is heated. I have quarter kg of brinjals cut 4 sides on the top. Start adding them to the oil. Brinjal is cooked half the way. Let's shift them to a plate to cool it. Meanwhile, let's grind the masala ingredients. Now, masala powder is ready. Next, add 2 medium-sized onion cut in lengthwise in the bowl. 2 medium-sized tomatoes cut in lengthwise, 1 inch ginger cut in pieces, 3 green chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, this size of tamarind water, and also the masala powder, and mix it well. Then add 5 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Once it's heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard to splatter. Then add some curry leaves. Now add half of the masala mix into the pan spread across. Then add the fried brinjal to it. Then spread the remaining masala mix on top of the brinjals. Add some curry leaves and close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Cook at medium flame.
Akka, let's open and see.
Okay.
Shall I mix it?
Yes, gently. Now add half teaspoon of sugar, quarter shell of coconut milk and mix gently.
How long should I cook?
Mix it and then close it again and cook for 5 minutes at low flame. This masala curry is an excellent recipe. Taste will also be superb. Has been 5 minutes now. Let's open and see. Let's mix it gently. It's cooked very well. That's it. Tasty Dum Brinjal Masala is ready. Tasty Dum Brinjal Masala is ready. Try making this. We are sure you will love it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.